ఏం చేస్తున్నారా అది చూడు.
Hi everyone, welcome back into my new vlog. Today I am at Atrium Mall in Gachibowli. I will show you the mall. So let's get started. मैं रात को व्लॉग बना रहा हूँ. अभी 10-11 बज चुका है. I am at Atrium Mall right now in Gachibowli. I am on the 3rd floor. This is the food court area. I'm going to the 2nd floor. This time I'm making vlog from 5th floor. Now I'm on the 2nd floor right now. There are many people on the 4th floor. The movie theater is on the 4th floor. यहाँ से भी कोई 2nd floor से कूद गया था. वो सब खाना देख के और वो नीचे मर गई. स्टूपिड आदमी मेरा जैसा था, वो खाने के लिए मर गई थी. First floor right now. I am on the 1st floor right now. Most of the shops has been closed right now. नीचे बहुत फिश है. यहाँ पे बैठ के नीचे पैर रखने के लिए है ये. एक फटू आदमी इस बॉक्स का अंदर पैर रखने से डर रहा था. वो 50 years का था. I am on the ground floor right now. Most of the shops has been closed. If you want to build your confidence, then whenever you go at a mall, do push up on the ground floor and lie down for 30 seconds on the ground floor. It will help you to become a confident person. It will increase your confidence level. Your confidence will be 10x. लोग मुझे पागल समझ रहे थे. I am at Farm Urban Bowl right now. I am going to eat something. I am going to eat Kale Greek salad. I am having vegetable and fruit salad. ये घास के जैसा है. It's like grass. I am eating like an animal. Animal के जैसा मैं घास खा रहा हूँ. I have booked the John Wick 4 movie ticket. Now I am going to watch the John Wick 4. I will give you the movie review after watching the movie. It's the movie interval right now. The John Wick 4 movie is really awesome. It's a great movie. You should definitely watch this movie. It's an amazing action movie. The John Wick movie 4 is really awesome so far. has ended. It was a great movie. We should definitely watch this movie. There were a lot of action. There were a lot of awesome action. I'm in the lift right now. I'm going B1. मॉल देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is the parking area. I'm in the basement one. There are 3 basements. अगर आपको व्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, शेयर कर देना. I will see you into another vlog. Thank you for watching.